I was going to work. I was on my way to work, and all of a sudden we got hit, on the rear end. I hurt my neck and my back. I had previous injury before, but that kind of made it worse. So I know Ellery. She works here. She was the one who told me to come in here. Very helpful, very professional, and I like that. And that's one thing that I stay with you guys. Lancy was my case manager. Very professional. She helped me a lot. She was always giving me good information and what was going on with my case. So she helped me a lot. Mark was the one pushing this. He helped me a lot too. He came on board and everything was done. So that's really amazing of what he did, and of course, man. And I think I wrote that, and I said it. If I ever know somebody that needs help for anything, I'll let them know to call here first, and let you guys guide them, just like you guys did for me. Like I said, everything went smooth, very professional on their side. If I needed help or I needed anything that I was confused about, they would let me know. And Lancy was very helpful too. She was always emailing me. Mark was calling me. If I called them, vice versa, they would call me back. So nothing negative to say, to be honest.